How to get your TikTok account unbanned. So let's get started. So if you want to get your TikTok account unbanned, so to do that, what you have to do is first open up your TikTok. So before opening up your TikTok, what you have to do is you just have to make sure that you have created a dummy account, or you can use your friend's account. So what you have to do is just go ahead and create a dummy account or use your friend's account and then open up your TikTok. And after opening up your TikTok, now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on that, just tap on the gear icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, and after scrolling all the way down, now you will find this report a problem option. Just tap on report a problem, and after tapping on report a problem, now you can report a problem to TikTok that your account got banned. So to do that, you just have to scroll all the way down and then tap on submit a report. After tapping on submit a report, now what you can do is just simply type in the feedback that your account got banned. And not only that, now what you can do is just simply enter the image if you have one. So if you have an image of your TikTok account, what you can do is just simply upload that image. So you should have your profile's image. So what you can do is just simply upload it. So after uploading your image of your profile, so if there was no problem from your side, then your account will be unbanned. But if there was a problem, like if you have violated any community guidelines, then you will face a ban and your account will be banned. But if you haven't violated any community guidelines, then you will fix the problem and then unban your account. So just simply go ahead and report a problem and then upload the profile image, and that will unban your account. So that's it guys, this is how to get your TikTok account unbanned. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.